factory suspension on these Can-Ams have come a long way, but they're no match for the incredible terrain that we're going to be putting this thing through. It's time to beef up the factory suspension on this Can-Am by replacing it with a full system from S3 Power Sports. We've already installed the S3 frame and gusset kit. Now it's time to install the complete S3 suspension system. Factory Can-Am seats are not that comfortable, especially in a long race. We've decided to upgrade them with a brand new set of Bartact suspension seats that are specifically designed for the Can-Am X3. So we're wrapping up the body on our Braven Can-Am project. We've decided to go ahead and ditch all the factory plastic pieces for the rocker and front corners and replace those with our own 1/8" aluminum panels. We designed these by starting off with a piece of cardboard, getting the exact shape and size and bends where we wanted them, transferred that to AutoCAD, sent it over to our laser, had it buzzed out in just a few minutes, test fitted everything, make sure everything fits good. Now we're gonna blow it back apart, wrap all the pieces, get them back on because the race is only a couple days away. So in order to mount the 67 Volkswagen Beetle hood on the front of our Can-Am, we're utilizing a CT Raceworx front bumper. We're gonna use either side of that to mount the lower portion of the hood so everything fits in place and is nice and sturdy. Installing an audio system in one of these Can-Ams can be a daunting task. There's not a lot of space, and the vehicle is incredibly prone to the elements. MB Quart has designed a complete audio system for the Can-Am X3 that utilizes all of the locations needed for an excellent audio system while still being completely weatherproof and durable enough to handle all the elements, complete with waterproof head unit, front and rear speakers, and a subwoofer. So the guys have been working around the clock on our Can-Am X3 project for Braven tires. We have our 67 Volkswagen Beetle deck lid on the front. The guys just finished putting the S3 suspension on. Our friends at Empower Lighting spent several days here at the shop wiring this up with a full police car lighting system. Along with that, it has a full-on siren and a PA system. So it's gonna be a lot of fun to take out places. We're down to only a few hours before the race, but we've got to get this thing prepped in time. It's time to go out and do a little test and tune before we head to the Red Bull Mountain Scramble this weekend. So when this Can-Am rolled in here, it was completely bone stock. We've added a Thumper Fab roll cage, Bartact seats, MB Quart sound system, brand new S3 suspension system, Fox coilovers, Braven tires, Raceline wheels, completely transformed the exterior look with our Baja Bug theme and custom body panels. Now it's time to get this thing out and take it out to Silver Lake Sand Dunes, where we can really dial it in and get it ready for the Red Bull Mountain Scramble.